Yeah, V Nation, you're looking for something to keep your hands warm, also to cool you off as well when you get too hot, also something to brighten up, the walkway at nighttime and charge up your devices, then I think you want to stay tuned to check out this little nifty multifunctional device from WITHOUSE. All right. So if you're interested in something like this, you might want to stay tuned and check out this video. All right. All right. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Cruising Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, V Nation, it's your man Mark, back again with another video. And today we got something pretty unique. It's just it's something different. It caught my eye because of the way it looks. But before we get started though, can you do me a favor? Can you go down and hit that subscribe button? It really helps the channel. It's free. It don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. All right. And also, before we get started, we got to give all thanks and praise to God Almighty, our Heavenly Father above. All right, because without Him, nothing's possible. All right, so we got to give thanks to God. All right. Now let's get rolling. Yeah, this is the WITHOUSE. It's a WITHOUSE portable handheld mini fan. It's a 4-in-1 device. It's a rechargeable hand warmer, also a small hand fan, battery operated. It has a rechargeable battery in it, and it has a fan on it. Also, it's a power bank and flashlight. I'm like, what? Because when I first saw it, we'll come out, I was like, wait a minute, what is that? So let me change over where you can see. When I saw it, I was like, what is this? I was like, this is not what you think it is, because when I first thought it, so get your mind out the gutter, because when I first saw it, I thought this was an adult product, and I was like, why do they have this right here on this site? But anyway, it's not an adult product, so get your mind out the gutter. It's a multifunctional device. As you see right here, it says multifunctional mini fan, all right? It just happens to look like something that we don't need to be talking about anyway. But let me let you look at the box. It says portable fan, power bank, hand warmer, flashlight, and it has 3 speeds on the fan. All right, it comes in 3 different colors, and we got the pink because that was all available at the time. I wanted to get that green because that's my color. But it comes pink, green, and blue. All right, so I'm gonna keep checking the website to see if it's available yet. But it might be by now, because I had it for a minute. But anyway, enough ranting and raving and talking. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box, man. See what we're working with. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Well, I already gave this for the spec junkies right here. Okay. Oh, we got a little carrying strap. And you gotta excuse the noise. I don't know why people like to have them extra large exhaust, extra loud exhaust on their vehicles. I mean, it's just, at some point, sometimes it's kind of inconsiderate when you ride through where people are doing business or homes or whatever. Let me get this out. Let me stop ranting. Right, we talking about this product right here. All right, put the product down right here. What all we got in the box? Let's see. Okay, nothing else is in this paper. Well, wait a minute. There's something in this paper, isn't it? What? Or yeah, there's something else in this paper. What's going on here? Wait a minute. Okay, I was gonna say I know it ain't me. We got 2 of these. Why would you have 2 of these? So that makes me think maybe this was a return product, because you got 2 of these in there. Maybe they bought 2 and didn't want this color. So anyway, you get a USB-C charger cable. All right. You got an instruction booklet. So we're gonna toss that and put that to the side right now. We ain't gonna worry about these straps right now. We just want to look at the device. As you can see right here, yeah. Please stop. Check your mind. But you got your USB-C charging slot right here to charge up the device itself. Also, you have USB-A, so you can charge up your devices. And let me see. I meant to find out what what size battery is in here. Because if it's going to be a power bank, they ought to tell you what size battery is in here. Let's see here. I don't see it yet. Well, I'll probably have to catch it a little bit later, because you would think that would be one of the most important. Oh, I think it has, no, that's not it right here. But anyway, we're gonna move on. We're gonna press forward because we ain't got all day to be trying to find out what size battery it has in here. But I'm pretty sure it's in the instruction booklet. Let's see. And I'm still scrolling trying to look for it. Really. But anyway, okay, emergency power bank. And it still doesn't say the size of the power bank in here. Oh well, it is what it is. But anyway, if you see here, you got, here's the flashlight on the bottom, little rubber stopper right here. And I think that's a little LED let you see it's charging. I'm not sure what this is right here. This must be a warning sticker. We're gonna peel that off because we don't need that warning sticker on here. All right, and throw that to the trash. As you see, you got a little minimum branding on here. I don't know if you see from my light. These look like your power button and your mode buttons right here, looks like. All right, as you when you want to turn it into fan mode, bam. All right, fan mode. Look at that. Ooh man, cooling me off, man. I like this. All right, so I guess it has some juice in there. I gotta go ahead and charge it up, but let me cut that off. Oh, that's speed 2, speed 3. I don't expect this to be like an AC or a strong fan. This is just something for your personal use. You know, you're sitting somewhere hot, you're trying to cool off real quick or whatever. You know, that's what this is for. Let me go ahead and turn it off. All right. So I'm gonna close it back up. Now that's kind of clever how it kind of hides it, whatever. You know, locks in place. All right. Let's see what else we got here. I think this is the flashlight. I think you got to press and hold. Yeah, press and hold. You see that? Press and hold for the flashlight. All right. There's no other modes on the flashlight, I don't think. Nope. So I'm press and hold, turn the flashlight off. So if I'm not mistaken, this is for the hand warmer. Let's see, press and hold for the hand warmer, 3 seconds. Oh yeah. I don't know if you see that. When I press the for the hand warmer part to come on, oh man, this thing is getting warm quick. Whoa. This thing is getting warm quick. Let me find a thermometer out here so I can kind of check the temperature thing. This thing is getting it gets warm quick. So let me all right, we go see right here. I don't know if you're seeing this. I'm gonna shoot it. It's 93. All right. Wait a little bit longer. And it's 95. It's creeping up there. 96. So as you see, it is a hand warmer. It's getting warm. Let me cut this bad boy off, or I've been burnt my hands up, man. So you press and hold to cut it off. And if I'm not mistaken, it has 3 different modes to cut it off and on. So that's pretty cool. This is a nifty device. I mean, this is, like I said, this is, a little novelty device. And this will be, Christmas time is coming. This will be a good little Christmas gift right here. To put a stocking stuffer for somebody. When that heat comes back around in summertime. Or if you live with somebody that always like to keep it hot or whatever. Bam. Turn it on. You're good to go. Sits on the desk like so. So you can even sit on the desk and just stay cool like that. This is pretty cool. But I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information. Because I still can't find what size battery is in here. Well, maybe I should go ahead and look at the directions. Duh, because it might have it in the directions. And I don't know who makes these Whoa, let me turn this bad boy off. Well, I'm gonna keep it right there because I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off so we'll be having that little annoying noise real quick. I mean, it ain't that loud, but anyway, I don't know who makes these instructions because they have the tiniest handwriting. I don't know. Okay, I think I see it right here. 2600 mile battery. See, I'm just a regular everyday person. I should have looked at the direction in the booklet instead of looking at the website. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you where you can see this right here. You can pause this and read it for yourself for all the directions on here. As you can see right here, if I can get it close enough where you can see it, it shows. Come on, focus, baby, focus. But it's saying right here 2600 mile battery. So it's like a little small battery. You're not gonna be able to charge your phone up fully and nothing like that. But in a pinch, an emergency, it would be good to have. Go ahead and get you some juice in there till you can get somewhere where you can go ahead and plug your phone up or get a bigger power bank. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Like I say, I'm going to link in the description box below where you can get more detailed information. And this is the WITHOUSE multifunctional 4-in-1, you know, mini fan / hand warmer / flashlight / power bank, man. Matter of fact, well, you know, while I'm here, let me see some here. Let me test out the power bank, you know, to see if it really does charge. I mean, yeah, it can say power bank all day, but if it don't charge, you know, I still got the Note 20 Ultra. You know, I ain't Samsung Nights. You know, I didn't ban it, everybody. But let's go ahead and plug it up. Let's see. Okay. Let me take that out where you can go ahead and see where you can get a better look at it. All right. So let me cut this off, cut it back on. And the train always comes in when we're doing the video. Yep, charging. Not no fast charge, just regular charge. So like I said, this is just an emergency charge. You know what I'm saying? Not, you know, not another just a charge, you know, to go charge your phone up fully. But oh man, it's like I think they was wait till they get to my studio to blow them doggone horns on the train. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna pause a second for this train because it's you know, so they stop blowing them annoying horns. Okay, the train and stop blowing them noise. We can still hear it going down the tracks. But anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Got, you know, everything you know need. I mean, like I said, it's something to keep with you on the go. And I think right here is where you go ahead and put the you know, try to put this in so you can, you know, have a little strap on there. But I'm not going to do that right now. But yeah, if you're interested in this product, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. You can get more detailed information on it. You know, so, you know, like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm not the spec guy. I'm just a regular everyday person who likes to showcase new products that get right here on the channel. All right. Let's see here. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend to subscribe, so we get more cool stuff like this on the channel. Also, you know, we still have a bunch of stuff coming up. We got some MagSafe power bank. We got another power bank coming up, and then we got a MagSafe combo, you know, coming up. So we got a lot of videos. So stay tuned. Like I said, you know, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell that friend to subscribe, so they won't miss out on seeing some cool, neat gadgets like this. All right. Let's see here. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. The message for the day is, stay focused and stay vigilant. All right, stay focused and stay vigilant. You know, pay attention to your surroundings. With all the craziness that's going on in the world today, it pays to pay attention to your surroundings, stay vigilant, and just pay attention to detail. All right. That's the message for the day. Pay attention to detail, stay vigilant. You know, and just keep your eyes open and be wise, all right? That's the message for today. This is your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic. I'm out. Peace. Man, it's getting hot in here, baby. Whew.